Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Start doing genocide! Biden, Biden, you can't hide! Biden, Biden, you... Viva, viva Palestina! We'll be free! Palestine will be free! Free for Palestine! Free, free Palestine!
We need the White House. We need Biden to listen because you can hear it out here. Everyone is out here. We're all here for one reason. The killing of innocent people needs to end.
It's fire. People are getting killed every minute, which is a very sad thing to see. Humans die with no wrong that they are doing. It's just that it happened that they live where the missile hits.
While our people are stripped of their humanity.
Talk to you later, all right?
Alongside